If your phone froze on any screen, completely frozen and you can't touch anything, can't turn it off, can't turn it on, and can't do anything, I'm going to show you right now on my phone screen a step-by-step guide for you to try to fix this problem. A very important detail. This will work for iOS phones and Android phones, any phone model, including older devices. So let's check all of this out on my phone screen step by step, click by click. It's very common for phones to freeze, okay? Don't stress about it. It's not your fault. It's just how technology is. One very important detail. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and if it works and you manage to unlock or unfreeze your phone, don't forget to come back here and comment quickly. It costs nothing to comment, and just say, hey, it worked great. And if it doesn't work and your phone is still frozen even after everything we show here, comment your phone's brand and model and what happened, because we create content like this based on your comments. So let's go to my phone screen so you can follow everything step by step, click by click. So guys, if your phone screen is frozen or locked and you can't use it, regardless of which model you're using, whether it's iOS, Apple, or Android, any model will have a simple feature for you to perform this reset so it can start working again. So it's frozen, you're pressing the power button, trying to turn it on or off, holding it down, and nothing is working. Here's what you need to do. First thing you need to know. In the past, when phones weren't fully sealed, you could just remove the back cover of the phone, open it very easily, and then you had access to the physical battery. With a simple step, you could remove the battery and the phone would automatically turn off, because without the battery, it has no power. You would wait 5 or 10 seconds, put the battery back, close the phone, turn it on, and everything would go back to normal. A frozen phone is something very normal and natural, but today you don't have access to that kind of phone anymore. About 99% of phones on the market don't have easy battery access. So what do you need to do? First, identify your phone model, and then perform a reset. Basically, turn it off using a command that every phone has, regardless of whether it's Apple iOS or any Android. So what do you need to do? First, check which buttons are available on your phone. For example, here on the M23, you have the power button, volume up, and volume down. On iPhone, you also have power, volume up, and volume down. So what you're going to do is search your phone model on the internet and look up how to do a force reset on it. For example, people usually say you press and hold volume down and the power button at the same time for a while, and it will turn off after about 20 seconds. I can't show you the reset happening here because it's a forced reset. You'll force the phone to restart. Or you might hold volume up and the power button for about 20 seconds. That's why it's very important to find your exact phone model and do it correctly. Search for it. Wait for the phone to turn off. Wait about 10 seconds. Then it will turn on again and go back to working normally with all features functioning correctly. It will work. And don't forget to help us here on the channel. Please comment if it worked. You have no idea how much that helps us bring new videos for you. Another very important point. If it still doesn't work, comment what happened and your phone's brand and model, because we always bring updated tutorials for you. Thank you very much for watching until the end of the video, my friends. See you in the next video. God bless you. We're together. Bye.